Hi, this is Steve Kiam with Action Coach Business Coaching in Northern Virginia. Do you get lots of salespeople that call you all the time selling you one marketing scheme or another? Do you know that you need more new customers, but you feel that marketing is too expensive? Do you feel that marketing is unpredictable and inconsistent? Well, it's been said that 80% of all marketing does not work. And while that seems pretty poor, what that really means is 20% of it does. And therefore, you can find ways to make marketing profitable for you. In fact, with a focused and persistent effort, most businesses can find ways to make marketing scalable. That means you can find ways to make marketing predictable, and you can control the number of leads you get when you need them, and therefore avoid the constant up and down of things like word of mouth and referrals. So here are my 3.5 tips to make your marketing profitable for you. First of all, develop a very clear picture of who your very best customers are and design your marketing campaigns around them. Second, determine what frustrates your very best customers in buying products like yours in your industry, and then design your marketing message around how you solve those frustrations for them. Third, find out how your very best customers search for your kinds of products in your industry, and then design your marketing campaigns for them to find you easily. Now, for my last half tip, test and measure various ways of communicating your message and various media to communicate your message in small segments until you find the way that performs the best. Then run that message as often as you possibly can. Now, there are 5 ways to develop maximum profits in a business. Marketing to generate leads really is only one of those ways. To what extent are you taking best advantage of the other 4? To learn more about that subject, contact me and we can talk about your specific situation. This has been Steve Kiam with Action Coach Business Coaching. Have a great day.